welcome to today's video. My name is Rolly, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download Power BI on your system. So without wasting so much of our time, we should head straight into today's video. All right, like I will always say, use any browser of your choice. Okay, so on your search bar, you just need to type Power BI. Make sure you type it out, okay? Just like I'm doing. Power Microsoft.com. Type it out, okay? Even if it's going to pop out, just make sure you type it out and click on enter. So while that is loading, great. While that is loading, let's give it some time to finish loading. So it's going to give us a proper interface of what you should be seeing. Yes, of what you should be seeing. And make sure you have a good network connection. I cannot emphasize that enough. Make sure you have a good network connection when you want to download your applications. All right. Make sure you have a good network connection. It's very important as a data analyst, because if you don't, network can really frustrate you. Okay. Make sure you have a good network connection when you are trying to do this, and give it some time to download. So let's give it some time to open. I want it to open properly so you can see the interface. Let me check my connection. All right. So while we wait for this to download properly, all right, it's coming up, coming up. We're almost there. It is coming up. I want you to see the interface exactly the way you should see it. All right, so it doesn't look strange. You'd be like, oh, mine didn't open this way. I don't know. I don't want that. So I want you to see exactly the way it should look. Okay. Oh, this is strange. It took longer than I expected. Me, that I'm an advocate of a strong network. See what my network is doing me. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. I guess it's just taking its time, and I want everything to come out. I mean, the interface is colorful, so I want you guys to see it just the way it is. All right, I'm just going to close this and start all over again. No, I do not have patience for slow internet connection. I do not tolerate it. Ooh. No, I'm gonna get started all over again. I'm not gonna do this. I can't wait for that. All right. So guys, head to your browser again. Head to your browser and click on um, powerbi.com. powerbi.microsoft.microsoft.com. You should answer me really quick and fast. Okay. What is wrong with Chrome today? It is actually still downloading right here. It is still downloading. It's not finished downloading. Okay, something is coming up. See, it's coming up. All right, so while that interface is going on, while that is downloading, so this is what you're going to do. You can go down, scroll down, and you will see what you can do with Power BI. You can see establish a govern resources. These are all of those the benefits you can get from Power BI. You can see that. So when you find yourself here, just make sure you are going through. If you have the time, you can read all of this and see how you can, Power BI can be of help to you. So, all right, it has actually finished downloading. So now you head on straight to product. You head on straight to product, right? At the top, and you click on Power BI. Let me close this so you can see exactly what is going on. All right, so you head on straight to product. You can see when you click on the drop down on product, you see Power BI, and then you click on desktop because we are trying to download Power BI desktop. Click on desktop, and great, it brought us here. You can see download now. This was actually the interface I was expecting. So you can just say, you can click on download now. So let's do that. So if you want to go for advanced setting, this is maybe advanced download options where you can select your language and all of that. But I don't think I'm going to do that right now. But if your language is other than English language, you can just click here and then you do the settings. Okay. For now, let's click on download now. All right. So it's taking us into. Okay, so good. It took me straight into my Microsoft Store. It's going to take you right into your Microsoft Store where you can download the Power BI application on your system. All right. So don't forget the process. Click on powerbi.microsoft.com, and then you go to product. When you click on the drop down on product, you select Power BI and then Power BI and then Power BI desktop or desktop. And then after that, it will take you to that interface where you see the smiley man, and then you click on download now. Okay. And when you click on download now, it will take you straight right into your what? Your Microsoft Store, just like this. Okay, so you should be seeing this on your system. All right. Now the only difference is that mine is saying open, but in your own case, you're going to see get. Mine is saying open because I already have Power BI installed on my system. You can see it sitting pretty right here. Okay. So I already have it on my system. So that is why it says open. So in your own case, what you're going to be seeing right here is get. Okay. Get, get. So what you're going to do for me is that you're going to click on it. When you click on get, it means that the downloading process has started. Okay. So because mine already has I already have Power BI on my system, it just says open. So I'm going to open it so you can see what you should expect after downloading it. All right. So while it opens, it's going to take us right straight into Power BI. Exactly. It's going to take you. So after your download, it will take you right straight into Power BI. Okay. It will take you right straight into Power BI. Just like this. You see it open like this. Exactly. It is loading. So loading data, loading data. Okay. So mine is giving me this because I already have some project that I'm working on. So you can see if I click on this, I already have some project I'm working on. That is why it just took me straight right into, you can see these are some of the projects I'm working on. There are way more than this, but these are just very few. You can see right here. Okay, so now because I do not want to, so if I want to just, let's just say I want to select on a particular project, I could just come here and click on it and it's going to open. But that's not what I want to do right now. I want you to see the proper interface. So you go to, I'll click on blank report, blank report. Okay, blank report. In your own case, the process may not be exactly this way. It will just take you when you click on get, and after it download and installed on your system, this is what you're going to be seeing. Exactly this is the Power BI interface. This is where you can carry out your analysis. You can perform your EDA and every other thing. Okay, so now this is the Power BI interface, and then as the class as the class continues, we're going to teach you on how to, what all of this means, all of these things you're seeing here. Here is where you want to get data, so you can get data. Maybe you want to import your data from, you can see, maybe you want to import your data from Excel or or what is it called, from the web, or is it a text file or a CSV file, and so on and so forth. There are lots more. If you click on more, you're going to see a lot more sources you can you can import your data into Power BI. You can see you can import your data from JSON file as a text file. You can import from the web, from SQL, a whole lot. Okay, but we're not going to be concentrating on that right now. So this is what I want you to see. This is Power BI interface. So here is where you're going to be performing beautiful, 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 interesting, and data driven insight. Okay. All right, guys, see you on the next video. But before then, let me close this and open it properly so that you're going to see what it's like. So I want to close it and open my Power BI all over again. There's this pop-up you're supposed to see. I want you to see that, and I want you to know that the next thing you're going to do when you see that pop-up is just to close it. Okay? It's just to close it. Remember the process. Head straight to your browser, powerbi.microsoft.com, click on it, and then you select product. You select product. After product, you click on Power BI and then Power BI desktop. Great. This is what I want you to see. You're not supposed to do anything or click on anything here. All you need to do is just to close it. And voila, you see, it took us right back into the Power BI interface, right? You can see that. So click on powerbi.com, powerbi.microsoft.com, and then you head straight to product. On product, click on the drop down, and then you click on Power BI and then desktop. Download it, click on download. It's going to take you straight into your store. Download it, and then you are going to see this. Okay. If you have any question, please do not forget to leave it on the group, and we are going to attend to all of your questions. If you still face any challenges trying to install it on your system, please do let us know. Okay. Our facilitators are always ready to hold you by the hands to guide you. All right. So if you need us to jump on a call with you on how to install it, let us know, and we're gonna do that gladly for you. All right. So guys, I can't wait to see you all in class, and we dive straight into your new um, skill as a data analyst. All right, guys, I'll see you in our next video. Okay. All right. Do you have a great day? Enjoy your day, guys. Bye. See you.